Attention, attention, attention. About trending news, social news, political news there. I am a home kutuma pomrika. I have attention TV. Now follow your YouTube, Facebook, subscribe channel na share link na ma foforo nyina na bia meka abusia kese na what ase. Ba menka o se Queen University Foundation na adwumadie wasomase na medebre wo se ebia wo ya nkrakra opese oni obi kabom na mkoye kunafo awusia doye de ohia eye Queen University Foundation. Edi ameje so eye na aje sikapa. But na unim say 8 parliament Ghana ayete. To be frank, Ghana ayete. But be pese yakobra hye beje fie na yakwohwa de ketue bi ne ba. Say yakoba de meka no obetima se. Yenkomra sisia.
The ballot papers. Someone has taken the uncounted ballot papers. Is that Carlos Ahinkra? That's Carlos Ahinkra, isn't it, of Tema West? And he's been attacked. I am not sure, but that looks so much like it is Carlos Ahinkra of the Tema West constituency who has grabbed the heap of ballot papers, and I am not sure, but Muntaka Mubarak has returned with those ballot papers that he fled with, and there is ecstatic jubilation on the NDC side. They say they have won by 2 extra ballots. The MPP side is as dead as...
All right, another honor. So weird. This is the parliament bimbada. You symbol pa Carlos Ahinkra honorable and a ballot paper minim say what the quiet denyo debe denyo and what tama what they call. That is the parliament we have for you. But my issue is when say Japan de buy no parliament is due to me because now majority does to minority. Every about no civil society organization sorry and a bunch of sign. Levy swaba. But Levy no once I'm crowd a chroma ekunafo ewusia ejanka womo ewobi womo ekawe womo aka but mbrahwe bejafo ya womo ye majority say still ya bejatu na ya bejatu ma unim say minority so and the parliament or minority caucus and your majority caucus ye kodu mbrahwe bejafia sane ye all you same boat no ye wo otu ahene nyina ho anyway speaker na say obetena ne ye na okasa no emunya da e hwan wo say wo sole ya no bia betam wakonya se oye speaker na say obe ya obo say na wakonya no ya be rush gidigidi. This is the 8th parliament for you emhoye the brutal but 11 so bibi cause of parliament yes anko parliament house bi oni enko he tama ye kan 11 hu nsensem ya minority wo mubufu ye do in fact na a boxing ring mu we dima kum to bamento yanko parliament bi na yembra. Wow, so we parliament da. Wo mo kwa. When you say be pray, e be koda hospital. Otim say dey ye tam obi ni ato no. Ye tam obi na chese enyasem kuma o. That is Ghana parliament for you. But the issue here is why is it that aban beba na aban ba emrahye bidafo a yenim say wo mo na ese mo to aba emania mapapa aban no ede breye no ekoba ne saa na na kamia say as a we so pewe but if you sure say sanka 11 so no e ya de papa ka minority for no omo fight it. So now the government should sit down and think say nyame adoma next week na 11 no mekọ ho akwa say the government should know say e ya de a ebe hatimamufuo ena ya de a ebe maganafo ho akere wo mo enti no me 11 no me support it. But I'm not saying that me support my minority, so no. The minority are doing their work diligently. Send a bear or minor to move for you so you better. So Ghana for you, Ghana for we all. So yeah to move for you to about your electricity no. Yeah so yeah the say you better say more ya there 2 million no. Mo be koye ne ma papa aba. E ko ba say mo kona ntokwa na mbekoto 11 hu nsensem na mbeko dia. And yeah, a time will come, the youth of this country will wake up one day and come like a wounded lion. Obi on to Abama because and you may be among the baba komuno and as a G as the calendar about one thing. Just say, mammy, for any parents, about say calendar where the fault to who say I bind the procedure be parliament. Just say no so no timemu for na yeah him say mona you trust him or your positions are mama just say yeah because we are ready and answer na ban after the council of state council of I don't know what they are doing there. Council of elders minimum adwuma mo je say I don't know minimum baby omu fi ba ye min hu am kind of leadership da anytime bi omu be kwa twene no the Ghanaian people had to come and tell them say before them dey ba ye enye any ti say mo adwuma na munimo Samaduma na del, but yen na ye twen ejebo eja beba. Nyame adoma Tuesday yen na ye twen na 11 no. I don't know. Yenim say another chaotic bibi betime si parliament bi ma yenim. But odum say no answer speaker na address na nya asem kuma. In fact, o speaker say o program rahye be fie na ne dress no na 10K. Yeah, but I don't know how show screen so who send ya ulumai watching the white no watching and kente papa bi na minim I don't know say fantela you say krobola you minim but ni nyina no or say yes we are Africans we are I mean yeah promote your culture what I say and in the speaker e kasa no ka che mrashibijafo say this time around onim say mrashibijafo ni bi wo ha wo mo ba parliament in fact e bi to say fugu ni African when e bi mu say but this time around no ye be shemuden ono anka so de ne hu bagim o de besra te say friends nkuto no o ba ne enya fe na speaker wa hwiko ti da bi o say suit are for special occasions na ade but this time around no speaker say emrehye bi ho mo ba parliament any African way any fugu any say obabo tete do de na ye ntoma na say o de be turu kom aba parliament is accepted because that's a culture. And the speaker said this time around, no, say, oh, ba parliament now, I'm rushing with the Ninquadia, ma fadiano, and your fe, and your crabesha, and your kama, to say, Embra Shibideni, Right Honorable Aban Sumana Bagbin, Speaker for the Parliament of Ghana, 8th Parliament, and then Ra. Ode futuo ne crashes some common Rashibijafo nyina no. Meka wo say obetimi follow your page no, Facebook Live Attention TV, YouTube Attention TV, I subscribe channel no na obi ntimi meka abusia no ho. Edi ameje so na AJC Kappa #the voice of the youth. Macron.